I'm Jordan, I'm a sophomore at Harvard. I'm first generation college student. My dad works 2-3 jobs, my mom's still working. My grandparents, coming from Puerto Rico and that kind of thing, and really not having any education. So from 2 generations ago, my grandparents not even going to middle school to me being at Harvard, I think that is not only symbolic of the hard work that it took to get here, but it just shows that, you work hard, you can really do anything. My dad always telling me, education is what's gonna take you to the next level. No matter where you go to school, no matter if you're in high school, no matter if you're at the best university in the world, Khan Academy can be used anywhere. Just having that 24-hour, free online resource that I have used in the past and I'm going to continue using to eventually help me reach my goals of one day going to medical school and one day eventually becoming a doctor. Being the first doctor in my family is going to be something that's remarkable and it's going to mean a lot to my family.